Proper painting technique is crucial to the outcome of your project. I'm gonna show you why and how to do it the right way. Before you begin painting, you're gonna have to choose a roller. On a roller, the length of fiber is called a nap, and they range in size. Here, I have a 3/8 inch nap, a 1/2 inch nap, 3/4 inch nap, and an 1.25 inch nap. Choose one based on the surface texture of your walls. For a smooth wall like this, the standard is a 3/8 inch nap. For a wall like this super rough brick wall I have back here, I'm choosing to use this really thick 1.25 inch nap because the fibers are long and they can get in these small spaces and grooves that this 3/8 inch nap just can't reach. Now that I have the nap selected, I'm ready to start painting. I'm gonna begin painting in an X pattern because it will evenly spread out the paint from the central location. When I go to re-dip my roller and bring it back up to the wall, I'm starting my X in a whole new position. That way, I'm not painting over the same area twice. Don't worry about having a little bit of uncovered space in between, because when we go back through the second coat, we're gonna start our X from that center location. Now that I have my wall finished, I'm ready to start my brick. I have the correct nap chosen, and now I know the techniques to finish this out the right way. All right, I gave a point to the camera.